Now, in this video, we will going to discuss about mission flow diagrams. It is a specific type of activity diagram that communicates a sequence of activities or movements for accomplishing a specific objective. So that means an objective is divided into multiple activities, what it has to be done. It was originally conceived for analyzing military missions, and hence the name mission flow diagram. So basically this has been used by the military establishment. So that is the reason why it shows that it is mission flow diagram. The technique involves mapping all the alternative routes or sequences by which a given task can be accomplished. So that means they are just mapping, or just they are routing what are all the activities, how it should be linked, and how it should be, the sequence has to be carried out. The analyst needs to identify significant steps on each route and also determine the challenges and or costs associated with each route. So that means he needs to identify the significant steps. That means he need to identify, or he need to classify the step of activities which has to be considered, and what are all the costs involved in that for each activity, and also for the different tasks what it is going to be done. Figure illustrates a simple flow diagram wherein forecasting is based on the measure of performance related to two tasks executed in mission 1 and mission 2. So here we have the objective, and we have task 1 and we have task 2. So these are the two different activities which are performing. So in the task 1, which has been further divided into task 3 and task 4, and these two are combined together to make it performance A. And then the forecaster has to identify, these are the different classifications or this task which has been characterized. And then we need to analyze, we need to analyze what are the costs involved to perform the performance A. Then we have in the objective, so in the task 2, we have task 5 and performance B, and then both are being compared, then this will going to be the forecast. So this is the mission 1 and the mission 2. In mission 1, the objective, then it is characterized into task 2, task 5 and performance B, and then it comes to the forecast. In mission 2, we have task 1, and again the task has been further divided into task 3 and task 4. Again, these two are combined to get the performance A, and this is also then been compared, and then the forecast has been done in mission 2. So both are, it is just a generalized flow diagram wherein if you want to take an objective like a product, and those product has been divided into different routes, and this means which is the one possible solution or the two possible solutions. Out of these two possible solutions, again further possible solution 1 and solution 2, and then again how the solution 1 can be obtained, again that been further divided, and for each task we need to identify what are the costs involved, and then we need to compare, and then we will going to arrive at the equation. So then comes the combining forecast of techniques. This will going to be considered in our next video. Thank you.